Fascinating world of binary options. We are back. It's been a little minute. I was in Ohio, and Todd is in the bathroom taking a pee. Right now, that's where he is. But it's been kind of a whirlwind. So for those of you who are watching us, following us, you're probably wondering, what the heck are these guys doing? So I'm going to tell you guys on our Telegram we're live. And let you know that as soon as Todd takes his pee, he's going to come back. We have had... like in anything, binary options, we've had our setbacks. I've been testing all these other methods and working on everything. And you know what? It just, today feels like one of those days. It's like, I just don't really know what to do today. But we are working on refining or simplifying my alligator strategy, which actually works extremely well if you don't psychologically beat yourself, which is what I've done over the last week or so. I was winning so well, doing so good, and then over the last couple of days, I was losing so good, so well. I think psychologically, beating myself. I think that in the alligator double cross strategy that I taught in the online course and that I've been using, that is so extremely accurate most of the time, I've noticed psychologically, especially when I'm alone, that I get a little bit tied up in like all the rules, and I forget sort of like I watched some trades go by, and that I just didn't take that would have clearly won, and then I took some trades that lost. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to simplify it today. We're going to start a new thing for this 15 days. We're going to start a 15-day plan, starting out with $3 trades. And we're going to go for 15 days. We're going to win just 3 trades a day. That's how we first started this. And so we're going to take this $25 and turn it into $871. We may go up 4 and back 2, up 4, back 2, up 4. That's really how we used to fortify. So we'll go up 3 or 4 levels, and then we'll go back 2 levels. Then we'll go up 3 or 4 levels, then we'll go back 2 levels. And we'll continue that until we have put our account around $1,000. The cool thing about this plan is, and you can get all these charts in the inner circle. I have a Dropbox link actually. I don't want to open. I have a Dropbox account in our inner circle with all these charts. Actually, there's some right there. 3 deep 15-day plan. That's what this is. This is a 3 deep 15-day plan. And so my son is trying to come in, and so anyway, I guess Todd's here, and so we're going to do this. It looks like once you get to day 15, 16, you're at $800. Once you get to day 30, if you keep going, you're literally at $38,000.
Exactly.
It gets really, really big. Welcome, Todd.
Hello, Goff, from Twitch, the dude from Twitch there.
Oh. Hello, Gutum Siv. Here's the thing. I've already talked about my extremely disappointing losses this week and told them the plan. So we're gonna start looking for charts and join the inner circle. But first, oh my gosh. Well, we know Todd's back in town, but first, Todd's got to relieve his body gases. All right, we're going live, I guess, right? Are we
It's
just going to go
Todd,
live?
not Tom, but either way, I'll answer to whatever.
Todd.
I've been called worse.
Todd. Hiya,
There you
Todd.
go. Todd.
All right, so...
All right, so we know what we're looking for.
Odd NZD. We do know what we're looking for. Odd NZD might be one. Yeah, odd NZD is actually
Is it
one
with
right
or
now.
without the against the trend, or
Well, it's kind of
does
going
it seem
down.
to matter?
I don't know. This one. Look at the 15-second on this one. I mean, it's cutting down in there.
Oh yeah.
But
Is it gonna hit a support line? Because there are support lines in the 15-second too. So.
This right here is dangerous because it's kind of against the trend, and it's sort of already like it came out. We kind of got here late. Like it's already double crossed. Like we
Yeah.
should have probably hit this right when. Darn it, I can't get. We should have hit this right when it went right through there, like boom, right there.
Well, look, okay, while you've got that open, look, there's a support line right there. See that?
Right here, yeah.
Yeah, so it's notorious for hitting that area and then going back up.
It is.
So
And
whether or
even
not it's
though-
going to break down past there is a guess.
Yeah, right now, I definitely think this is a very valid point. This is a huge support line in the 15-second candle, and NZD. Yeah, I think we're a little late on that.
Yeah.
Soda says. I mean, it looks like it could go because it did double cross, but it's against the trend. So this could be a fakey trade for sure.
Yeah.
But I'm not doing that method today. I'm doing literally, we're going to find these ahead of time and get them. We only got to do 3 of them.
Exactly. We only need 3. So
If we would have found that a few minutes earlier, then we would have won that because we would have got in at the bottom of that red candle. We probably would have got in like right at the bottom of this red candle, and it would have been nice. Okay, so that actually, whoa, crap. FedEx, look at FedEx, dude. FedEx is another one that's like really ripe. Oh yeah, we're late to FedEx too, but see, dude, I'm telling you, look at FedEx's pressure.
yeah.
We could have got in on that one too. It would have been
Holy
against
smokes,
the trend.
dude. Yeah.
But it crossed over, and it was heading up to there, and it was crossed up over here.
I'm not sure that's over with, but I don't know. I wouldn't take the chance on it because the MACD is about to cross. And
Well, yeah,
and
this
by the time that crosses, some of the momentum is spent, and some of it could just be beginning. So that was a big cross, but see, look at
because
that. Now it's like weakening down. It's kind of like,
look at the 15-second. It's at a line. Look at this line it's at.
yep.
And
yep.
it's already spent through. It's already busted through those. And so,
Right.
like right now, it's just
The
a guess.
majority of the momentum. See, it used to be that you would take the MACD when it crosses, but you're kind of getting the tail end,
Yeah.
or kind of the fumes, I guess you could say, of the
Yeah.
the real fuel was before the MACD cross.
It was like It was right before it. Like when this happened.
right.
That was the fuel. Boom. And we would have known that fuel was there because this is coming out of oversold. It
Yeah.
pops out of oversold. The fuel was there. The MACD hadn't crossed yet. So when you wait for it to cross, you still win. I've still won these. I mean, that still would have been a win.
But that's probably why they turn around a lot. They turn around as much as they win, and it's probably because it's a crapshoot. It's like, well, it's kind of coasting on fumes versus all the fuel that it spent when it was,
Yeah.
just prior to that opening. So
What we're going to have to surf for is charts that are overbought or oversold. Period. We're going to have to look for stochastics that are overbought or oversold, like the one that's on NZD USD right now. NZD. And if NZD USD is probably a little ways away because look at the 15-second. I mean, they're kind of just sticking up there. But it's created, that's way far up there.
and it's an overbought.
So we'll wait for that one. That one's the one to watch because that one's going to turn around. That one's getting up to a line of resistance right here. This is a line of support or resistance right here. It's a big line of resistance. It's like
So
right
when
up
this
against.
turns, it'll be against the trend. But
Right, and I'm not sure if that
if that matters as much,
because the trend is kind of. Is it against the trend? I mean, is it going up? I guess it is. I guess if you look at it in just like the last 10 minutes, yeah, it's been going up. But it also has been doing that. It's been going so we'd have to really see some real serious momentum in the 15 seconds turning and going down without support or resistance, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
This one looks like it could be a setup. So I'm going to keep
kind of
looking.
right at a massive support line, going back several levels.
Yeah, this is where you could take a 5-minute put.
Oh
like
man,
right
it goes way back, dude. This line
Oh yeah,
goes
oh,
way back there. I mean, this is a massive line.
Yeah, and it's. Yeah, I mean, this is where you take a 5-minute put or even a 10-minute put. I don't know. I don't
Right.
want to do that because I'd rather just wait for these. But you're right. This is a massive line, which means that it's probably going back down. It's probably going to consolidate a little bit, and then it's probably going to go back down. And when it does, we're going to know because this is going to happen. This is going to happen up here. This is going to start happening. This is going to. Well, I guess as soon as this green line crosses through that red line, which it's going to pretty soon. Do you think we should take a put on it?
What's the you got the amount set?
It's $3. So
Okay.
yeah, look at that. That's getting ready to cross through. That's getting ready to go. That's getting ready to cut through that line. It's actually getting ready to cross through right now in a minute, like probably in the next 15 seconds. I may have to take this.
Well, make sure that
It's cutting now.
Make sure what are your 15 seconds? Okay, are you in? Okay.
Yeah, because look at this. It just cut through there. So unless it retracts, I mean, this is the moment. I feel like this is the moment that you win.
I mean, it just cut through there, and that's cutting through pretty good. So, I mean,
My dad wasn't following you on that one.
come on, keep coming down, keep coming down. You got kind of a high position on that one.
Oh, yeah, look at the
Oh crap! Come on.
well, look at the 15 second.
Is it
6.
cutting through? Is it cutting down or up?
I don't know.
It doesn't matter. We
It's
lost.
cutting. It's kind of going.
We lost it. Yeah.
How do you know? How do you make sense of that, dude? How do you make sense of that right there?
Well, the position was kind of high. It was against the trend. Well, go back to your 15 second real quick. Go back. Look at that the last time it went through. Okay, the green line only went through the second line or
Through
the first
top
line.
Then it kind of.
Yeah, and that's what it did up there. See, and then the candles all hit that bottom line and bounced straight back up. Yeah.
Abraham.
So-
Yeah, we got our people. We got some people.
I missed you. Yeah. It's been chaotic lately.
Okay, we got to win this then.
Yeah, we got to win this next one.
Okay, look at FedEx. I'm going to check on FedEx real quick. Oh, yeah, FedEx looks nice too. It looks like it's crossed down there.
This is with the trend, so.
Yeah, this is with the trend. And look at the 15 second. It crossed through the first one already.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of blown through there. Do you think it's going down from here? Do you think that
Sure
next candle's
looks
gonna...
like it, but if you enter now, you're getting in on the pressure of this candle. So, I mean, it's really shooting down there. I'd wait for that to retract before, because
look at that.
it's a massive candle.
Look at this, Matt. Look at this. It crossed
Yeah.
through, and then that would have been a win.
That would have been a big win, but should you get in now is the question. I mean, it still could go all the way to that line.
No, I don't think so. I think we should wait, because that would have been a win. If we
Yeah.
would have followed the rules that we set up, it crossed through that line at the same time it was crossing double. It was out of oversold, and now it's just unknown.
Right.
We only have 3 trades, so I mean, yeah, it might go, but to me,
We don't know.
It might turn around here. I've noticed that it will. It might. I mean, again, it's with the trend, so the double cross could still happen. The MACD could double cross, but the MACD is in a low position.
Mhm.
So I don't know. Like, there's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
And look
See,
at
that's
the,
that
look at the
would have
15
won.
second
but-
now. It's
right.
starting to go
we got
back.
to take it at the right time. Yeah, and that was not the right. That we missed the timing just by a few seconds here. So I'll keep looking at some charts here.
If
and
we only
then,
got 3 deep, then we have to follow the exact rules, I think. Now
yeah,
that
we
other
do.
one was against the trend, but we thought it was going to the white line. I'm not sure if that should matter or not.
So
well-
we're looking for what now? What exactly am I looking for?
Stochastics that are overbought or oversold.
Okay.
So real easy, just scroll through and find some stochastics that are overbought or oversold.
Okay.
That are in a far position that look like, okay, they're probably
Okay. All right. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Johnson & Johnson is that position, but here it would be against the trend if it turns around.
and if you think it's going to the white line, okay, yeah, this has been in a big uptrend for a while. That other one kind of burned us, dude. That other one kind of burned us. I mean, Johnson and Johnson would be the same kind of thing because it's kind of against the trend. So if it turns around and goes down,
Mm-hmm.
it could because it did the last time. It got up high, and then it turned around, it came out, and it at 2033 it did it.
Intel. I don't. Yeah, I mean, Intel is probably already. I don't know. I mean, it's already. Its stochastic is in the oversold, but it's already going away.
This would be one that we would just have to watch and see if it's going to turn around and go back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll watch Intel. Yeah, just find them that are in the extreme position because if they're in the extreme position, we can watch them. Euro NZD would have been a good win. I mean, and if you can see that, then I guess we can see it. Oh man, double cross with the trend down.
Pfizer.
Euro.
Pfizer has a stochastic that's okay. Tesla is also way oversold. The stochastic is anyway.
Tesla?
Yeah, is very oversold.
Yeah, it's been oversold for a long time. Tried to come out and it couldn't. Oh yeah, it's just cranking down. It's a little too oversold.
Visa is it's too far gone, I think.
Well, Visa could turn around from here. Go down, right? Couldn't it?
I mean, it could.
It'd be iffy because it's really not. It's kind of been going flat.
Apple is an overbought.
Intel is at a line right now. It's going down pretty good.
And Boeing is definitely oversold or overbought.
Oh, Boeing might be. Yeah, look at Boeing, dude. Boeing is
probably the best candidate I've seen yet.
Okay, but it's in a massive uptrend, so any trade on this would be against the trend.
Well, that's true. Yeah.
And look at the 5-second candles or 15-second. Look at them. I mean, they're kind of. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's actually pointing down and going anywhere. It looks like it keeps coming down, like we burned on that last one. It like came down, hit it, gonna bounced. Like I'm not so sure that Boeing's not going to be just bouncing off that right now. Yeah, but that looked like a good one. Boeing, yeah, it's just consolidating.
Johnson & Johnson, what's that doing?
But Boeing might actually turn around, dude. We need to watch it. I guess it would be a guess at this point. Johnson & Johnson. Oh, whoa.
It looks like we might be late to that party, but
oh no, it's going down, dude. It's well, how late are we? Look at it. Kind of cross through. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell because it's probably too late.
It's against the trend, that's for sure. But
yeah, it's kind of against the trend, and it's kind of already pushed. It's kind of already pushed out its momentum, I think.
Yeah.
Tesla. Oh, Intel. Go back to Intel. It's going back up like crazy. Is Intel gonna? Oh, Intel, dude. Intel.
Okay, I'm there.
Intel. I think we should call it right now.
Okay. Well, I trust you.
Look at what happened here with Intel.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah.
I mean, if it keeps going, if it doesn't turn around, it pushed through that first line. It's gonna push. If it pushes to that second line, it goes to the white line.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It came out of oversold. Here's the 15 seconds. See how the 15 seconds kind of set up its own line up here? Now it's going up and down. But see,
Yeah.
look at the 15 second, how it's pushing further. Look
Yeah.
at that. Like it's coming back down, but it doesn't. It looks like a much bigger win in the 15-second window. Because it's like it's got a line here. Well, see, it doesn't want to break below that now. We want it.
Yeah. We want it, bro. We want
There
it.
you
We
go.
want it. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
Look at
crap,
that,
man.
dude. That was a 92% too, bro. So
Yeah.
that was a little bit higher.
Well, hold on. That was so we need to do a happy dance for our fans.
Yeah.
All right. So okay, maybe I'm right, dude. Maybe I'm right. Maybe if we just catch that momentum from the bottom,
That's the key. If we can catch that right there at that point, dude, I think that's the key.
because I mean, I didn't even wait till the candle to end. I just saw it. I saw it shooting, and I'm like, it's going. It came out of here. I mean, you saw what the 15-second was doing.
Yeah.
I mean, if it had turned around, it could have turned around. I mean, I don't know. But at that point, when you come out of overbought like that or oversold, you have, and you're going towards the white line. That was a pretty good like textbook trade that won.
It was.
So I'm going to put this back to $3. We only have to win what,
2 more of those
45 of these total? You know,
Well,
15 days or
to
so.
get to where we want to go, but then we got to stay at that level for
we
a
got to
good
back
week
up
to
and come
fortify
down. Yeah.
really good.
But do you think this is
This strategy is pretty killer, yeah.
do you think it's it's at least something we can both agree on?
Well,
too?
it seems to have a lot of merit to it. I mean, when you look at this, I mean, it seems to play out pretty much just how you're seeing it.
Right.
The only way
especially-
you really lose, the only way it seems to lose is if you're late.
or against the trend. Sometimes if you're against the trend, even if everything else looks perfect, it could
But
lose.
even in that scenario, like the one we lost before, I think if we had gotten in a bit earlier, we would have won it.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Yeah.
Even against the trend, I think if you catch it early enough, you can still
Right.
win it.
If it's got enough momentum behind it, it's only one candle. It's only one
Right.
candle down. I mean, it's only 1 minute of down pressure. You're only looking for 1 minute of down pressure. I mean, well, like this Boeing is at 40%, so we can't do it. But I want to look at what Boeing was doing back here just to see what it would have done.
Before you do, look at Microsoft.
Okay. Okay, Microsoft there, Microsoft here. Oh, whoa. That might be it. Okay, yeah, dude. It's crossing through right here. It's getting through there. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, we could take it.
It's up to you, bro. You're the captain here. If you feel like it's got the momentum, it's what you're looking for, then but don't be impulsive if you're not feeling it.
Oh, it's kind of retracted right now.
Well, then hold off. We're not in that big of a hurry.
It hasn't crossed through the line yet. Well, I mean, I think it's crossed through the first line, but it's kind of retracting, which is actually a good thing. It's like it doesn't want to break above there. Hold on. I'm not sure about this one going to the white line. What do you think? It's
If so, it's just going slowly, but it looks like it's fighting to go up and then kind of drops down. So it's kind of hard to say. But
see
I'm
if
just looking at it from intuition. I'm not looking at the analysis of the 15
Yeah.
seconds.
this one looks a little bit like
If it's a little iffy, then
starting to
we
turn
can just
around.
wait.
This one's kind of harder to decipher. Looks like the MACD is gonna cross soon.
But we want to catch it before then if we're going to do it. So
It
I'd
kind of looks
say-
like a fakie to me because look at the.
yeah,
It's kinda stuck in
yeah,
there.
that's not good.
It kind of looks like a fakie.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like it's not gonna like the MACD looks like it's not gonna cross, and this is gonna end up turning. and it is a downtrend. So this would be one that I would.
What about Pfizer? Now Pfizer looks like it's already there, but it's with the trend and it just kind of shot down. It's probably already
It's just
broken through on
that
the
would be like a
elevator.
trend surf. That kind of broke that line of resistance. I mean, it probably is going down, but it's a trend surf.
Yeah.
It's all headed down. Like that's massive, but it could stop. Okay, we're looking for over. Looking for. Yeah, that other. What was that other one you were on Microsoft? I don't know if Microsoft
I was
actually.
on Microsoft, yeah.
Okay, it actually would have won, and it actually looks like it's going up, but it's just going up really slow. It finally double crossed, but
Oh, is that
again,
where we were? Yeah.
I've lost a lot of them out of the trend like that look like they're going up, but they're not really.
Right.
Um,
As far as Amazon,
it's
I don't know
70%.
Gotham. Amazon is at 71%, and we don't trade on anything less than 80 at the minimum.
Okay,
And if
Euro
there's 92
NZD,
available, we try to go with that.
Euro NZD is coming out of over. Look at that one. Tell me if you think it's going up. I think it's.
Euro NZD. Well, yeah. I mean, it's a good possibility. The MACD hasn't crossed, so it's probably setting up in the alligator. What's the 15-second look like?
It looks like this. It looks like it's getting ready to.
Like it's getting ready to shoot up there?
Yeah. I think we're kind of. Well, I mean, yeah, it's.
I don't know if we're late to it, but there is kind of a support line in the 15-second. Like it kind of goes up and hits a.
Yeah, I'm not totally convinced on this one. Again, against the trend, I don't see it's got a lot of ton of
Now the
pressure.
MACD is about to cross.
Look at this one though. I mean, this looks like.
See,
it's
look at
kinda-
that though. It's got a support line. But it doesn't tend to go much past the.
That one right there. Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, it's struggling to go up. I mean, it might go up.
Once it gets through that second red line, it kind of. I think you have to watch support lines even in the 15-second.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of sitting on one right now.
Yeah.
So if this MACD crosses, I still won't take this one though because I think it's not really our. It's getting too jumbled. Like
Mm-hmm.
it could be a fakie real fast. Like it could fall
Right.
backwards right now.
Those win and they lose. They're just kind of a guess.
Yeah. I want to see one that's actually moving like with some force up through there. I hope that this actually works because we've been sitting here on the internet for like months doing this. Hopefully,
Hopefully one day we can move out of our mom's basements. Is that what you're saying?
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, dude.
Yeah. Like I need to yell up to my mom to make me a pizza.
Yeah. You're not really kidding. Your wife is kind of like your mom. She takes care of you, does your laundry, makes you food.
That's true. We just buy food though usually. She does cook.
Things are moving kind of weird. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of like now that we're not looking for them. Now I'm seeing a lot of
waterfalls.
slow moving like waterfall type thing.
Yeah, that's the struggle.
Look at USD RUB. Look at that. What's that doing? Count me in too.
What's this?
What's the 15-second look like?
I mean, it looks like it's high. It looks like it might go down, but it's also been going up a long time. It's kind of spread apart. I mean, this looks pretty erratic.
Yeah. Yeah. It does.
If it turns and goes through this 80 line, then I bet it's going to the white line. There it is. It's starting to turn down. See, I think this wants to turn down. Look at how it's kind of creaking.
Right.
Starting to head down. So we've got, yeah, okay, it's going good now. This is a flat. This
It'll
is
be
a
against the trend, but
well, will it be? Because it's been going down,
I mean, it's just kind of going
down,
down.
up, down, up, down. It kind of popped up there a minute,
Yeah.
but it's oversold now. My question to you is: do you think this is going to the white line? Do you think there's enough down pressure? It's kind of iffy. The blue and yellow. Okay, so the blue and
there's
yellow
a lot
are
of tails on these, like a lot of wicks at the bottom. Whoa, dang.
yeah, the blue and yellow are like pointed straight up. They haven't turned yet. You know what I mean? They're still. So you're right. It is an uptrend because the blue and yellow are the averages of what 7 and 12. So the
Yeah.
last 7 to 12 candles have been heading up.
All right.
This one is very jankety. It's iffy to me whether or not this has momentum or not. It seems like it does, but it also is very kind of jagged in the 15 second, like it doesn't really know. Like if it shoots down, like we could just take it, but I'm not sure it's going to.
I don't know
also
about this.
it's also in an uptrend. You're right. It is above the white line, period, and it's actually pointing up. So
Yeah.
it isn't like it was in a downtrend, but it's not really in a downtrend now.
Right.
And I guess we should probably look at that trend as like being more specific. So yeah, this is totally going to be a call. This is totally the 15 seconds hooking back up now. I think like remember when I told you could like whenever this moving average blue line is above, you could pretty much call every candle and you'd win.
What is Euro NZD? I mean, I know this is not really oversold or overbought, but look at it real quick.
Euro NZD. Well, it did have a stochastic cross. It's not overbought, but yeah, it did kind of want to cross down. It's got this kind of a look to it. I mean, it's probably going to go back down. It's been wanting to go up and down.
Oh, I see. Okay, so yeah, okay.
It might go back up though. See, it's kind of going down, up, but it's in a downtrend, so
Right.
but it's inside. But it's actually sideways, to be honest. Hasn't really moved much.
What was that?
Boeing,
Okay.
but odd. Oh man, odd NZD with the trend. Dang. Double crossing with the trend. Double crossing with the trend and down. That would have been a good win. Why weren't we looking at odd NZD? Dang it.
I don't know why you weren't.
But that was a good one. That one had all the signs. It crossed down and sort of went down. Let's see. Ooh, Euro RUB is coming out oversold. Pretty hardcore.
Yeah, and the MACD is about to cross. So has anything already happened?
This has already happened right here. It's kind of going up
So
and
it's
it's
just
stopped.
Just kind of.
Like it could keep going, but I'm not sure. Well, there was the MACD cross right there.
Okay.
And that was pretty good actually. But we would have been better off to get this candle prior
Yeah.
as it started going up. I guess the MACD cross does sort of confirm it, but like you're saying, the gas it's already kind of spent its gas.
Right.
Because this could turn around. I
Yeah.
don't think it will, but it could. That's what it's been doing. It's been
Right.
going up a couple and then turn it down. Look at the pattern. If you looked at the pattern, you would have been like, no, because it's got 2 green, reds, 2 greens, some reds, 2 greens, some reds. Then we had 3 greens. It would have been totally due for
Totally due for another red.
yeah. So that would have been a no go. I mean, just by pattern. Oh man, USD RUB came out of here. Came out of here.
Yeah. At some point, NZD/JPY, it's consolidating now, and it's probably, Yeah, okay. So it looks like it's kind of at a line back there. So it's probably going to go up next, is my guess. The MACD is real close to crossing, but that's consolidating. So
This is what it's looking like. It could go up right now. If it could break that big red candle.
the other
Oh.
option,
Well, that's a pretty decent one, actually. I don't know. That's kind of scary, but it is broke through both of its lines, and it's still consolidating pretty heavily though. But when is it going to break? You know, is it going to break when this MACD crosses? Should I take this? Should I take this MACD cross right now? It just crossed. I mean, it could totally easily turn around.
yeah, it could turn
It's
around.
it's at a real support line because all those candles are just all those flags are right there.
Right.
Those wicks, I mean, they're right there. It's like it got up to where it. I could see this turning around. I could see this being a fakie like real easy.
Yeah.
Because it's in a long
I mean,
downtrend.
ideally, I would like to call it when it gets down to the very bottom of that if it went all the way back down.
Yeah.
If I was
right.
going to do anything, but
Right, I'm with you on that because it is look like it's pushing up, but it's also, like it's also, yeah, it's also at a support line right there again. I wouldn't be surprised if this candle turned red next.
yeah.
It's still not wanting to break that candle line. Like if it breaks that line, it possibly goes up. Yeah. This one's it's starting to move out of the realm of what I can decide because the crosses have all happened. Sort of heading up now. It's going really slow. It broke out of its consolidation line. I could call it right now if you think it's at a.
It would be a guess, so let's don't do it
Okay.
because it's not worth the guess.
It's at a place now where it could go either way. We would
Right.
just be guessing that it's going to go up, and it's actually in a long downtrend.
and
So
we don't have room for guessing.
it makes no sense that I would guess right now.
No, or ever.
Well, I guess one by myself all the time,
We see how that turns out.
and it just makes major losses. Yeah.
Crap. What? Euro NZD looks like something might have just done happened that we missed. It's a
What?
trap. Yes, I agree.
What's a trap? Oh. Euro NZD is nothing happened. I mean, it's been just going up.
Hey, Gotham. What's your name? What's your first name, or a name you go by that you're comfortable putting online?
Gotham.
That we can call you.
I'm gonna call
Is
it
it Gotham? Am I saying that right? Is it Gotham, like Batman Gotham, or is that something from?
Oh crap! McDonald's is crossing up, dude. Could we call McDonald's?
If you see all the criteria for it. And
Well,
you,
it's already spent. Like in the 15 seconds, it's already kind of spent. But
well,
it kind of spent it in that one candle, and now it's above the white line. It is near a white line, so that makes it dangerous. But it is kind of in an uptrend, and it crossed there. I don't know. It's not really like a home run, but because it's, I don't know. That's not a home run. I think it is probably going to go up, but it could also go down because it's because it just crossed over the white line. It could actually retract, and it's kind of moving slow. I think it would have been maybe possibly a good one, but it's not. It's not. So what do we got here? We got 92, 80. We get rid of some of these lower. Tesla. Okay.
my old man was a huge Batman fan. So if we say Gotham, we are saying it correctly. Okay, I just wanted to be sure.
Is that his name?
My son is a huge Batman fan, and you're right, Eric. That would have won.
Euro RUB is actually a double cross in the direction of the trend. It's actually one that most of the time would win. It crossed there. It's getting ready to cross there.
Do you want to take it?
Well, I want to wait and see
Okay.
if it crosses. It didn't cross, so no, I don't want to.
Okay.
But it's at a line of support, and it looks like it's getting ready to cross, but it just didn't. So I don't know now. But if I see a double cross with the stochastic and MACD in the direction of the trend, we should probably just always take it. Because those are unless it's at like a massive line of support like that one was. If they double cross towards the trend, they generally always win.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what. If stochastic and MACD cross together towards the trend, I don't think I've ever lost one like that.
Towards, you mean with or against?
With the trend, not towards it, like with it. Like
Okay,
if it's in a downtrend and they kind of click up a little bit and then they cross back down.
Well, they're
then,
about to cross now. I mean,
which one?
Euro RUB is crossing down like now.
Right. Well, it hasn't confirmed yet. So like.
Yeah, but it's probably about to in the next candle. I don't know if you want to take it or not, but
I kind of want to if it does it.
Okay, well, it's about to. So
it hasn't. I mean, it's flat. See what I mean? It's like it's not crossing yet. Like it might, but it's not. It's like it hasn't.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
It hasn't yet. Like it has to actually do it. It has to do it. I mean, it could win, but this one just looks a little too weak to me. Like maybe in the next candle, maybe we could take a 2 minute, but it might not cross because it might not. That's what I mean. If it doesn't cross, then we don't know. But if it does cross, see now it's crossing mid candle.
Right.
That would have been a win. But now I'm not sure because it's kind of low.
NZD/JPY is at the white line.
That would have been a win. You said it was going to cross. It just barely crossed. And maybe the next time we see one like that with the trend, I'll be more.
What about USD CHF? This is against the trend, and it may actually be still sort of in that consolidation range that I always talk about. So I don't know if this is.
No, it's crossing down through 2 lines of. Yeah, it's possible. If this one opens up, look at the 5 second. It just crossed down through. It's kind of below that level of support there. It's kind of farting with it now, going back up. That's a level of support that it's sort of obeying in that candle. Like it might want to go back up from here. Do you think it's going to the white line?
I tend to think that, given the range, it looks kind of even there, like that. There's a little you could almost block that off in a big rectangle, and it hasn't really broke out of there until maybe now. It might be starting to. What the crap just?
What
happened?
just happened, dude?
I don't know. That was so freaking weird.
Did that happen again? It happened.
And it went to 81%. I think all the charts may have just. No, there's still 92, but that was weird.
That happened to us last time on a live stream.
Yeah.
The chart just totally changed.
They had to reset the game.
Euro NZD
Got to the end of the tape. They started a new reel.
It's what it feels like sometimes.
GBP JPY. This could go. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Yeah.
My butt is tired.
Your butt is tired.
Oh, Facebook. Facebook, it's starting to push down. Oh no, it's kind of. It's like an uptrend. Like, I almost think we could just take fakies all night. I mean, we could just be like, oh, this is going to cross down. No, it's not. It's going up.
Don't you lose a lot of those, though?
Sometimes, but if you're with the trend, not really. Oh, Microsoft, dude. Microsoft just crossed through the white line. And it just, like, opened up big time. But that would be scary because you never know what's going to happen next. Like, look at that. It just, like...
Yeah.
Like, it
and see, the stochastic is already close to oversold. And then MACD is just sort of in the middle.
Yeah. That's cruising for a bruising time right there.
Yeah. That might go down, but you don't know.
Mm. Stocks. This is much harder, dude, than trend surfing.
What, trying to find a setup?
Yeah, trying to find one of these. It's
Yeah, it's harder to find 3 wins than it is 12.
NZDJPY.
Well, when you've only got 3 deep, then,
Well, yeah, I mean, that's what I was doing earlier. Oh, dude, this looks like a good one. NZDJPY is crossing down. It's crossing down. I mean, I don't know. It's crossing
Okay.
through the white line. It's crossing down. It's got momentum, but it's already spent a ton of its momentum.
what do you see in 15?
I don't know because I think we should have caught this one before.
Yeah.
See, look how far down it is already. It's far down. It's already way down there, and it's going to retract. Maybe we should be, instead of looking for it crossing through the 20
Unless
line.
you put it like while it was up there on that green candle, because I think it is going down. See, yeah, you could have won it massively if you did that.
Maybe, but I just don't know. I'm thinking that I might start looking for the confirmation of the stochastic opening. So as soon as the stochastic opens, and this one looks like it opened at like 2134. This one was turned down 2135. The next candle 2135. Yeah, that would have been. Yeah, that would have been a massive win too.
Yeah, big time.
Well, there we go. We've passed up several good wins.
Hindsight's 2020.
It's kind of funny because if we had 5 deep, we probably would have taken these. We probably would have won all these. And we would have to win 15 of them though to
Right.
get to the same as 3. So
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to start looking for the stochastic coming out of the first time it crosses. Like when we look for a MACD cross, I'm going to look for a stochastic cross with the trend. Because it almost seems like every time the stochastic crosses, and that's the thing, sometimes the stochastic crosses and uncrosses. It kind of does. So if it had the 15-second alligator confirmation, like right here, like on Apple, the stochastic crossed. Okay, look
You're
at
looking
Apple.
for stochastic to do what now?
I'm looking for the stochastic to cross, okay, and for it to be with the trend. Like in Apple, it crossed there. Had I taken that trade as soon as that opened, we'd be winning it. And the 15 seconds were kind of pointing up too.
Dang,
so
look at Brent oil. See, like all of a sudden today, I'm seeing these nice waterfalls
I know it's
with the
tempting.
trend.
Yeah, I'm going to look for stochastic crosses
Okay, well,
with the trend.
stochastic is not going to cross here because in crude, it's like right on the white line, but it's
Well, it's already crossed. Yeah, I'm not opposed to going 5 deep and just candle surfing, dude. Because like today,
yeah,
we
but you know what? Sometimes we go to a 5th trade on that. And it gets scary sometimes.
Yeah.
This is, I mean, we're on a first trade, so we still have 3
Ooh,
to
with
go.
the trend Netflix, dude. With the trend Netflix. Go to Netflix. I hate to take this without you, but it's way
Okay.
far down there. It's already crossed there. It crossed here. It's getting ready to cross down. I don't know. That one I'm not feeling now. It's already spent. The 15 seconds have already spent pretty far. Never mind. But I'm looking for stochastic crosses right now.
But look, sometimes it pulls up green, and then watch. If this is what happened on the last one. See if you, let's pretend you took the put up here, okay, and then boom, it pulls down. See that?
Yeah, because look at the 15. Look what it did. It just reached up there for a minute right here. It
Mhm.
just went right up to this line of resistance and then right back down.
Yeah.
So, and in general, though, I mean, that probably would win. Yeah, because if you see it going up to here, it went up, it went right there, and then it, boom, turned around.
Yeah.
But
See,
I
now
don't
it's-
know that it's not going to go back up there, though.
I don't know that it isn't. Yeah, I mean, you could still lose it even if you had taken a put. 'Cause
Yeah, there it goes. Shot back
yep,
straight up
there
through
you go. You'd be losing it now. Yep.
As it's a fake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With the trend. Okay. American Express. Stochastics and cross with the trend, I think.
Okay.
I'm going to look and see. Okay, yeah. And okay, 5 seconds look like this. They look like they're getting ready to go down. Okay, and stochastic is looking like it's wanting to go down with the trend.
It's kind of in a consolidation area, though.
Yeah, it is. It's not like
And
super.
nothing is oversold or overbought. That
R-
area right there is a consolidation block. You see that?
Yeah,
All
right,
within the
right here.
same. The
Well, stochastic hasn't really crossed yet. It's sort of straight up. Like, yeah, this one's dangerous. The 15 seconds are, yeah, consolidating. I just saw that the stochastic looked like it might be turning down with the trend.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to it, but yeah. That's why I have you.
Yeah.
It hasn't crossed back. It hasn't crossed back down. It might, though. Look, okay, yeah, look, it's starting to cross back down now.
Yeah. But will it break that area?
Mm. So it crossed now. I guess, okay, if it opens up, if this next candle opens up and it crosses.
See, it's staying within that same boundary. You see that?
Yeah,
The
right.
bottom of that red and green candle. It's
But the
staying-
momentum of the 5 second, 15 second just crossed down through the second red. So it looks like it has pushed down momentum. When it does that, I think this will go
Yeah,
down.
it could be ready to break out. And if
I don't
it
take
does-
this, but because of that cross, I would think you would take this if the stochastic opened on this next one.
It's
I'm not gonna
beginning to
take-
break out of there. So, I mean, it is a possibility it's going down from here, and it likely will, because it's kind of breaking out of there. So, but
Well, look at the 5 second too, real quick. Look at that. So it broke down.
15.
It broke 15 second broke down through there. Look, and it opened up.
Mm-hmm.
I think this might be a win. I was just looking for I was looking for stochastics crossing with 15 second confirmations.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's what we are looking for, but I've been looking for them out of oversold. But now I'm saying just look for them in the direction of the trend, because that would have been a big win, because stochastic crossed down with the trend and the 5 second was a little janky, but it still crossed both the red lines, and that would have been a win right there.
Yeah.
If I would have waited for the MACD to cross, because the MACD might also cross here, then I think sometimes you're too late, because the MACD might cross, but you're getting down towards another support line. See, by the time the MACD crosses, it's going to be at a support line, which it'll probably bounce off of. See what I mean? The MACD is getting ready to cross,
Yeah.
but it's sitting on a line right now. Although, you could think that you could actually take this MACD cross, because this is a double cross with the trend. Do you want to take
Alright.
this? Or is this too risky?
Well, I mean,
I guess if this opens, then you could maybe take it, but
it's got a line way, way back there. Like, it's at a line, kind of like a long way back, but it's been. But
yeah, it's been there.
But yeah, I mean, I would say this is, if you were going to trend surf, this would be a safe one, is my guess,
Yeah, I was going to double cross this one, but I'm not going to,
Yeah, I don't know.
because it's kind of low.
It's kind of low,
retracting.
and it's kind of staying even with that little support line before it.
The
right on
MACD
the other
opened.
side of the hump.
Yeah, the MACD opened nicely, but yeah, it's at such a strong line that it would be a gamble. Okay, so it confirmed my thought that if the stochastic crosses, no matter where it is, with the trend, and the 15 seconds are confirming that movement, or that momentum internally, then we should just take it.
Mm-hmm.
What was that we were looking at? American Express? See, that would have been terrible, because it turned around real big.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
What?
ExxonMobil looks like whack-a-dack, dude. That's crazy. I ain't getting into that stuff. All right, I'm looking for stochastic crosses now. Just any stochastic cross. Oh, Odd NZD is just stochastic crossed with the trend, but it's so crazy looking. I don't know how you could ever trust that crap.
I gotta stand up.
Yeah, have we been in here a while?
Yeah, I think
All right.
so.
Well, we got to win, dude.
I was about to say we gotta win, dude. We gotta win.
Ooh, Euro USD. Euro USD is gonna. You can stand up. I'm gonna look at this. Euro USD.
Wait, hold on. Where's Euro USD? Is it what's it at? Because I'm
Right
not
here.
seeing it up at the top here.
Euro USD. Look at it. It's
What's it paying?
81%.
Why don't I see it?
Euro USD. It crosses stochastic, but now it's at the white line. It's kind of consolidating on the white line, I think. That's a tough one because the stochastic crossed down, but the MACD is going up, and it's definitely in consolidation. But maybe that's a good thing.
Sure.
Well,
Like stochastic is crossing, but
the stochastic is crossing, but this is what the 5 minutes, 15 seconds look like. I mean, it looks like it could go down from here, but it's not like, I'm not sure that it's actually
yeah.
like for sure going to go down from there. Down. And I guess if this is with the trend, if this goes down through that line, if the 15 seconds cross down from here, ooh, like they just did. Do you think this is going down, dude?
I think it is, yeah. I do have a feeling it is. That's the only way I see it can go, but I don't know. Dang, it shot down kind of hard.
Mm-hmm.
Stepping all over my mic cord. Yeah, I would have taken that one. If I was going to take it, I would have taken it.
I'm
It's
waiting
not
for a
moving.
little retraction in 15 seconds because I think it is going down from here. It's crossing down. I'm still thinking about taking it. It crossed with the trend, but it's pushing down. It's already pushed through the 5 seconds. It's kind of at a line of resistance right now, but it's still
Yeah.
pushing down. We were right, bro.
Yeah.
I think we're late now.
Yeah, that's what I think.
I mean, it could keep going down, but I just don't know.
Right.
It's at a line right now, a big one.
A little bit of a support line there.
Yeah. Well, okay, so what happened was the stochastic crossed out of oversold, which was perfection. It was at a white line, so it was beating on the white line. And the 15 seconds were actually kind of crossing down through the top one. That would have been the entry. I should have taken it when you said, yeah, it's going down. I mean, I should have just hit it, but I'm trying to be careful.
Right. Yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Well, and actually, we're kind of learning this still, too. We're kind of
Right.
like, if it's oversold, or really if the stochastic actually gives us a serious good cross, then because see
do
now
you
if I
think
would
this is going to go up, or you think it's going to go right back down?
yeah, I don't know because right now it's like the MACD is up, the stochastic is down. I mean the 15 seconds are up. I could probably call it right here and it'd probably go up, but it's against the
I
white
wouldn't
line.
call
So
it. I'm thinking it's going down, but I don't know.
well,
You might be right, but I think it's going to consolidate or go down.
it's kind of out of whack now because there's no real cross happening. We got Apple just did a crossover. Let's see what it's doing in the big one. Apple, oh yeah, Apple's going up. It's against the trend. I don't like these against the trend trades, man. They make me nervous.
I agree. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
They almost always don't look like they're going to win. Oh crap, Microsoft. Holy crap. Look at Microsoft. Oh my gosh, we missed Microsoft like big time. Cross down. It's going to double cross. I think we could take this one actually.
Yeah, it's at the white line. But, I mean,
Well, I
but
guess I guess you're right. It went underneath the white line.
And
But
you're also taking a MACD cross. Well, that was a big one, but
Yeah, but it's already spent. See, look at the 5 second, 15 seconds. It's already spent.
Yeah.
Like I think it might win, but because of the way this chart looks, I actually think it's going to retract.
Right.
Or, I mean, it's 50-50. It could retract or it could go down. Okay. So in the realm of this... Oh, cool. Crap. McDonald's. Check the... McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's is going up, dude. Oh, it's at a white line now. Crap. But if it crosses over here, I think we can take it. If this opens, it's crossing, it's double cross, every cross. It's at a white line. What do you think about McDonald's? I think we could take this one. It's cutting through there.
How far up do you think it's going to go?
I don't know. It's kind of at some support lines. But
I don't know. Does your indicators show that that's where it's headed? I guess they do now.
yeah, I mean, look at them. I mean, hold on. Look at these.
I don't know, because now it's tanking.
Yeah, look at the tank of that, dude. But look at it. It crossed. Holy crap.
Yeah, but look how far past it was, dude. It was way overspent. Dude, of all the ones you decided to take without...
I quit.
Waiting for me to be like, yeah, take this.
Well, it was... The problem is...
The problem is that was way overspent by the time you get in on it.
Yeah, you're right. 680.
Wait for me.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's a total loss. This is so embarrassing.
Dude, what were you thinking? Dude,
Oh.
Okay, do not hit the button without saying yes, no. I mean, because I'll probably have an opinion.
You're right. Look at that. That's
Every other one that we should have taken, we would have won. This one, you just did it. And, like, there was no way we were going to win that. I would have never green-lighted that because of how overspent it was, dude. It was like... That was a massive candle beforehand, like.
Well, I guess you're right. If
there's no way.
I mean, these were
left.
already through, so they were way already through. That was my bad.
Yeah, just wait for me.
Okay, sorry. We're on a second trade.
Okay. Apple might. I don't know what Apple's doing, but check it out.
Well, is it the 15 second that we're... Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I want to see where that's at because that's where it's showing us the momentum. So
Apple's looking like this. I mean, it's kind of already up there and it turned around. I mean, you think it's going up from looking at that?
No.
Probably not. It got me, man. That's what happens when I'm alone, dude. I just make stupid...
Well, yeah, I'm with you, and you did it. I mean, you just didn't even act, like I had no idea
I thought
you were about to do that. Go to Visa.
Really? I thought you were with me.
Well, I'm sitting here with you, and like there's no. You were talking about it, but dude, I mean, unless you tell me, you need to tell me like, all right, I'm gonna enter. Before you enter, tell me you're gonna enter because if I say no, don't, then don't. Because
yeah. I need to say I'm gonna enter this. A couple more seconds. I'm gonna enter this.
Or say yes, no. You know, if you say yes, no, something to that effect, then. Then I can.
So should I just make sure I get your...
Get my input, yes, before you hit that dang button. That's why there's two of us. Okay, did you see Visa? What was it doing?
It's going down.
Okay.
I mean, it's massively going down.
Kind of consolidating.
Hey, we got viewers too, man.
I have a feeling it's going to pull out.
Visa?
Yeah, eventually it might. What is Apple doing? Look at Apple again.
Well, I mean, Apple's... What did I do before? Did I just take a trade on Apple?
No.
It doesn't matter. Apple's like consolidating.
What's the 15 seconds doing?
They're doing this. They're just consolidating.
Okay.
That top line. Like they want to go up, but they're not. I don't know that means they're going to go up or not. I don't think so.
It doesn't mean anything, no. Look at Facebook, dude. Look at Facebook.
I just did.
Okay. What's 15 seconds showing?
I think...
Because this might be about to turn down, like they go to the white line.
Yeah, I'll look at it. It's possible. It's got some resistance here. Here and here. But this line... I mean, it's in a major uptrend, though.
Yeah, it is. but I've
But-
seen this before. This is kind of where I say, show me that 15-second again.
Okay,
Let me
yeah,
see.
it's starting to cross through. It's starting to go down, dude. It could. If it breaks a little,
That's gonna pull through, dude. I almost would put this like,
I could put it. You want a 1 or 2
take a
at the beginning of this next candle? I think we better get in now if we're going.
get in now, and I would just
1.
take a 1.
I'm with you on that because it's okay. It crossed. I want this to win because I want you to redeem my stupid. I want to cuss. I was about ready to cuss on our family friend of the show.
All right, I'll be right back. Tell me if this one.
What do you mean?
I'll be right back. I gotta pee real quick.
Oh my
I've
goodness.
been sitting here drinking iced tea.
Okay, all right.
I'm gonna wait for this candle to expire.
I'll narrate
'cause
it.
It's gonna expire well below.
Look at this. Look at that.
Our line.
Those
This
two
is gonna
cross
be-
through.
Unless this.
No,
Okay.
look at that. Look at the 15s. They give you indications in the
Okay,
15.
so what's
Look at that.
50? That's totally shooting through.
Yeah, it's shooting through, going down. The 1 minute looks like this. See, it looks narrower on the 1 minute.
It
But look at that.
looks
That's a
much narrower.
Clean
on the
double
1 minute.
cross. But like the 15 seconds, look at the 15 seconds, dude. They're just,
Oh yeah,
crap.
they're like way down there.
they're way down there, and these are way down. You're going to win this, dude. You're going to win this.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
7 seconds. So I'm going to do my screenshots just for people on our.
Okay,
thing.
go ahead and play it. I'll be right back.
All right. You're going to win it. You won it, baby. All right. That was a win. Thank you for Todd. I need Todd to just tell me what trades to make so I don't mess up anymore. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What a great trade Todd came into today. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. I think these are our... Oh, we lost some followers, I think. Looks like... Well, wait a minute here. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, anyway, folks, that was it. We've got 2 trades in for today. Which is good. I think in our method here, when we're 3 deep like this, we've only got to win 3 a day. So, I guess I don't know if we go for 1 more. We will go for our loss journal will be loss win loss win. And then that'll be it. So we're going for 1 more trade. I won't do it without Todd, of course, because I'll mess it up. I was let's see here, 78. We'll get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. I'm gonna start looking for when he gets back. Let's see here. Got that one, that one, that one. Okay. He called that one early just by looking at it and thinking where it's going. That's why I like trading with Todd. He has a sense of candle movements. He kind of has a sense of where the candles are going when they're going. When they're going, he kind of feels where they're going. So it looks like we got our two wins. 92%, 5 with 3. 79.
All right.
All right, we got that win.
Boom. Wait, another one?
No, I have
Oh.
done nothing.
I was gonna say. Okay. All right. I didn't think you would. I think you've learned your dang lesson. Okay. What did we win that last one at? Was it a 92 or 80?
Yeah, it was a 92.
No, it was an 83.
Was it?
Yeah, we lost the
Oh, okay.
92, won an 83.
5 with 379.
Still pretty good. Still pretty good. Okay. All right. Well, so far this 3 thing ain't working out too badly.
It's not, dude. I think if we're, dude, this may be the only way for us to win because it causes us the fear of fear of failure is.
Well, it
just
didn't on
so-
that last trade, but like you said, we redeemed ourselves. So no more of that. Just let me
Okay,
know.
I'm gonna because before we traded, when we were doing trend surfing, we'd be talking, and all of a sudden, as I got the feeling, I would just do it. But with
Okay,
these, I
what-
think we need to
Yeah, we
agree.
got to
Like,
make sure we
are we
plan
doing
this
this?
out. Those 15 seconds really help confirm what's going on. Okay, what's happening? Look at Microsoft right now. It's in a downtrend. Stochastic is really overspent. It looks like it's sort of consolidating maybe. So like it might be ready to turn up towards the white line. Do you see that?
Yeah, and we only need one more win to make our
Yeah.
life.
Only
Well, I mean,
one-
there's nothing going on here that I can tell you other than it's just going straight down.
okay,
you know,
but you
I
don't
mean,
think that's going to turn around?
Well, I don't know.
Look at well, I mean, well, those
Yeah,
two candles were kind of side by side, but now it's going back down again. So
Like I think it could turn around, but there's nothing telling me in the 5 seconds yet. 15 seconds. In the 15s, okay, the 15s will have to start to. They'll have to start cricking. From here, they'll have to break
I have
up.
a feeling, dude. Just my intuition tells me this is going to go up. Like it's struggling to get down. I feel like
Well,
a 2
if
minute.
it's-
I feel like a 2 minute call from like when it flips down there again. I'm not saying we should do it. I'm saying that I feel like a 2 minute call from here.
Well, the
would-
stochastic has crossed, okay, bro, and the Mac and the 15 seconds are going up now. I mean, you might be right. I mean, look at the 15 seconds; they're starting to go up.
Yeah, like if this goes down here, you could almost call that for 2 minutes. If this flips, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's already just headed up. But if that goes red at all, I guarantee you could call that for 2 minutes and we'd have our win. That's my gut feeling. I could be wrong.
Well, I can
you
call
know.
it right now because it's about to cross the first line. It's breaking its line of resistance right now. So if it's going up at the end of this candle, we should just take a 1 minute. It's probably
Well, then
going
take
up.
it when it shoots down, like just like
Okay, all right.
when it goes down.
I'm gonna take
it. Might
it-
retract quite a bit. So
I'm going
who
to take
knows?
it. If it doesn't retract, if it goes through this line, well, it's retracting now.
Yeah.
underneath.
Okay. So
Hold on.
So
Hold on, it's retracting. It's retracting. It's retracting.
It-
I think I should take it. It's heading now. It's cut through the first red line. It's retracting. It's retracting.
unless it's going to go down, let's just see. Since it's close to the opening of the new candle, let's just see what it does.
It's kind of like. See it, in the 5 seconds it did this. It went up and then it retracted, but like it's probably going to go back. See, it broke through there and then it got up to here and now it's going back down. If
Mhm.
it breaks through this one again, like right now is where we should take the 2 minute trade from. You want to take a 2 minute trade from here?
Yeah, I mean that would be your best bet. Yeah, I mean if you're gonna call it, I'd take a 2 minute from right here because
I did take a 2 minute.
now if it's gonna turn around and not go up at all, then we're gonna lose. But
yeah, but look at the 15 second. I mean, it's doing this little thing right here where it went higher.
mm-hmm.
It's probably going to turn around right here. These next few 15-second candles are going to give us our knowledge because it went up, it stopped, it went down. Okay, it went up higher, went down,
Yeah.
stopped. I think it's going to go. I think these are going to turn and it's going to go up because
Right,
this is a line. So I mean, if you can see this, dude, this is like an inside look at that candle.
right.
And
Yeah,
the
it's
reason
starting to go
why
up.
the reason why I think
There it
it's going
goes.
to win is because of this. Because it went up, went down, went up higher, went down lower. So it's higher highs and higher lows.
Yeah, we're already in the money.
We're in the money, but this candle's consolidating. It needs to move up. What
Yeah,
do we
we're out
got?
of the money now.
We got a minute left. Okay, so yeah, we got a minute. This is fine. I think it's good that we took a 2 minute because this is
Yeah, real good because we're actually in a worse place now than we were a little bit ago. So
I think
yeah,
no, but it's
Uh,
at the bottom, dude. This is at the bottom of a consolidation
look
line
at that.
right now.
All right, yes, it's going.
It's
up.
at the
It's going up.
bottom. It's at the bottom of consolidation. It's not going down there. I don't think. I mean, this is. Is this a downtrend or is this a turnaround? That's what I want.
Well, it looks like a turnaround. That's what I mean. That's what I was sensing is that this was a major turnaround, but that's going up. So I think this is going to win, bro. I truly think this is going to go
yeah,
up.
because you
there we
have
go.
30 seconds, and look at the 15-second
Thank
candles.
you, Lord.
Look at this
Yes, look
15-second candle, dude. It's cricked up now. It's got one more 15-second candle in it, dude. And if this doesn't just shoot down, look, there you go.
There
It's
we
cut
go.
through
There
the
we
first
go.
line.
Yes.
It's cut through
Come
the
on,
first
keep
line.
going up, keep going
There
up.
you
There
go.
we go.
It's
Yes,
fighting
yes, yes.
itself.
Come
It's
on,
fighting
come
itself.
on,
This
come
is
on, come on.
entertainment, folks. This is why we
Come
do
on.
this.
Come
This is
on,
why we
come
do
on.
this, folks.
There
This is
we
why
go.
we do this.
There
Look,
we go. There we
look at
go.
that
There
win.
we
Let me screenshot that
there
for today.
we go. 5,
Let's see.
3, 2, 1, and boom. We got it, baby. Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. That's
Boom, another win. Yeah. So,
Okay.
dude, there we go, man. 3 deep, 3 wins. Day 1, level 1 successful. Win.
why. How do you know this though? Why do you look at these and just have this? How do you know this, dude?
I think it's just more looking at the direction of the candles. They're going higher. They're gradually going higher. I mean, you can just see like they're starting to go this way, like they're elevating. Like even when they're going
Well,
down.
I can see the bottom on this chart. I can see the bottom. I mean,
Look
I can
at that. If
definitely
you draw
see.
a line there, it's inclining. It's not a straight line. It's okay. Okay. Well, for one,
this
look.
it
So
stops
there's
right
a bottom, right? But there's a downtrend, a clear downtrend, and then you see all of a sudden there's a green candle. Okay. Then a red candle next, so it's trying to push back down, but it doesn't go below that green candle. Then it goes back up. So now you see that the tide is changing. I mean, it's starting to shift powers. Like it's going from. Todd's a genius. I wish. Thank you, but I wish. So, and then you start to see like, then the line is starting to go up. So you see the force is changing. It's going from down force to up force, and so that's what tells me it was just. But it looks like it didn't go all the way there, but it was starting to. So.
Hey.
Oh, hey,
Milla.
it's you. How are you? Thank you.
We needed a good show because we have. I mean,
When he says I, he means
he means me.
means the two of us.
Reject. I have been trading on my own and just losing left and right, testing all these new methods. But it got us to here. I mean, this is sort of what happens. I go in live on my own and start testing all this stuff, realize how much money I lost, and say, hey, but I figured this out, and then we work it out. But I don't get the insights when I'm with Todd. Todd is a genius. I don't get the insights without Todd here. I just start doing stuff. He brings in the insights, and that's good. So this is a good show.
Put that on the big screen. I don't even know what it says. I haven't read it.
It says Todd's a genius.
I just pulled it out of my bubble gum.
What are you doing?
Fame and fortune await.
Watching my coat. Stop watching the coats. Only watching yours. Gone a half an hour ago. Fortune and fame await. Okay.
It's Bazooka Joe. It's from my bubble gum.
Yeah.
Which I don't have in anymore.
I don't know, man. Hour and 16 minutes. 3 wins. Not bad.
But we only went 2 deep at most.
Well, yeah, we only did loss, win, win. I'm a little nervous about the last win, even though it was good. We really just kind of went off your feel. But
my feel was right, bro.
But we also used the 15-second for the entry. If you see what happened on that trade, dude, you see what happened on my screen here. You can see I used the 15-second for the entry. I thought, okay, it's going up, down. It went a little higher, it went down. I'm thinking, okay, and then it went a little higher, and it probably went down. In the 1 minute candles, it did kind of look like it was going up. The other one we won today was this one, the Facebook one. That was huge. That was your call, but it was confirmed by the cross through. So, I mean, we can do it like this. We can just use your intuition and use the 15-second to confirm it. If we feel like it's happening. Then I'll put these in the channel here. If you haven't joined Inner Circle, make sure you do. It's free. Just go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. Fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com.
Are we still doing that?
Huh?
Are we still doing that?
Yeah. Some of the courses have changed price. They're actually, most of the courses now are at least a little bit above $14, $4.
So now they're no longer free.
No, but the Inner Circle is still free. Inner Circle, you get some of our trading sheets. You get, for now, it's still free. You get.
By the way, you're all finding out that these cost money now at the same time that I am. So, if that makes you feel any
the
better.
marketing team came down on us, said we got to start charging. Well, you know what? I'll tell you why.
Eric just decides these things when he wakes up. He just decides, I'm gonna put a price tag on stuff.
Well, you know why I did it, bro?
I have no idea.
I'll
bet
tell you
couldn't
why.
tell.
Because Teachable
Dude,
has
isn't
been
that
free,
cool?
dude. We're on the free Teachable plan
Isn't that
this
cool?
whole
I
time.
don't know what that is, but man, that's cool.
What are you doing?
It's like a. It's almost like a. What are those things? Those.
It looks like a Muppet, but with like a sperm or something. Like a sperm Muppet. You know. Oh yeah, here's a link for the Inner Circle. It's I'll look it up for you. It's just fascinatingworldofbarteringoptions.com, and then you just go to Inner Circle, copy link address. Here we go. Let's see, reply. Here we go. It's real simple. It's free. It'll get you a Dropbox link to our sheets that we're using. The actual sheet we're using right now is actually in Dropbox. I'm working out of Dropbox. Thanks for today's nightmare, mate. Yeah, that he's saying that you gave him.
Oh yeah. You bet. That was a boggling. So I don't know how old are you, Gotham? I'm just curious. Not asking you to date yourself or anything, but back in the '80s when I was a kid, bogglins were like the coolest thing. And I actually met the guy that invented those, and he still makes them. I met him at a convention. His name's Tim, and so yeah, they're pretty cool.
Oh, we're clear into level. Let's see here. We're actually clear into level 1, level 2, level 2. We're into level. We're a few dollars into level 2 right now. By the way.
How's that?
Well, we won more money than we needed, I guess.
Oh, because of the 92% thing?
Maybe because it says we need $32 to start it, but we have $34.19. Happy birthday, Gotham!
Just turned 27. All right.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Take your birthday money, put it in a pocket option, become a millionaire. That's what I would do. If I was 27 again, oh man, what a day!
Where are you at in the world, Gotham?
You can't be asking people all these personal.
That is not
you're
a
like
personal
some kind of
question,
stalker or something.
Okay.
How old are you? Where are you?
Yeah.
What's your address, Gotham?
Next, I'm going to say your address, your phone number.
What's your license plate number?
Knowing someone's age. Well, let's see. Someone who's 27 and let's say they live in the UK.
Okay, your country
narrows
can be
it
good.
down,
Don't be
right?
telling us your address.
I live in the United States. I live in Ohio. I've never been off the continent. I'm not coming to look for you. I can assure you.
I guess if he's from like the UK, like a lot of our viewers are from like Africa or
if
UK.
you live in Dayton, Ohio, where I'm from,
you can't keep. Listen, you can't keep giving out all your personal information on a podcast, man.
Dude,
You can't say,
okay, do you know how many Todd Andersons there are in my city?
Look, you can't be telling people you live at 2266 Ivy Crest Drive. You cannot say that, dude. It's a live stream.
I also can't tell them my phone number is area code 937-848-2551.
What?
By the way, don't dial that. That was my number growing up. I have no idea.
848-2551?
That was my phone number growing up. Yeah, yours was 848-7056.
Oh, dude. Freak.
And my wife's number. All right, get this. This is what's really weird, okay, if you believe in coincidences. So my best friend's phone number was 848-7056. My then future wife's phone number was 848-7046.
Oh, and your daughter's number is 848-666.
Bro, that's a landline. I don't have a landline anymore. None of us have landlines.
I thought her number was 937-848-1666.
I should shout out the Bobrick Police Department's phone number and just let people just spam them.
Yeah.
I'm not going to do that.
Today.
So you Gotham, you are from the UK. Hey, that was a pretty good guess. Oh, you're currently in the UAE, United.
He said he's originally from the UK.
Todd, you shouldn't be spilling all this. None of this is true. Okay, so the address Eric gave you is a bogus address. That's not where I live. He grew up on Ivy Crest. He lives in Nashville, Tennessee now. Neither of us
listen
live
to me,
here.
dude. I do not live. I live in Louisiana. Everybody dang well
Louisiana.
knows I live in Louisiana.
Oh yeah, you got the accent and everything. So yeah. So my phone number
what
is
are you talking about?
Arab Emiratis? Emiratis.
Emirates, you doof.
Yes.
Arab Emirates.
Yeah. Is that close to the UK somewhere? Is that anywhere near there? I don't know. How close?
I was
I'm
just,
not good
dude,
at geometry.
I was just about to do
I
my
don't know nothing
Indian.
about geometry.
Before he said Arab Emirates, I was totally just about to go give my Indian accent. So I was going to give my Arab accent.
Let's don't be offending people. Call on
Dude, I was totally going to give you my Indian accent, but he might be an Indian. He might have an Indian accent himself.
Well, you don't know that it's a he. Are you?
You can't ask these questions. That's
We did-
private.
Now you're being like. Now you're saying he. We don't know. He ain't said he's a he. We don't know if it's a girl or a guy. We don't know. Two
Well-
words, tax free.
Oh, it's tax free. Dude, we should live there.
That's what I'm talking about. You know, like you used to see all these commercials back in like the 90s, you know, for like you can feed a kid in this country for like the price of a cup of coffee every day. It's like, I
Yeah.
want to move there. I don't know where they live, but I'm moving there.
You don't want to live, dude. You don't want to move there. You'll be
Like I
eating
can
dirt
live on, I'll move there. I'll be the richest person in the country. And it's like, you know,
because they eat dirt and crap, dude, and bugs.
I want to listen to your Indian accent.
You want to go live
You
where
do
they
not
eat
want
dirt
to
and
listen
bugs?
to Eric's Indian accent. He will do it.
We should
Don't
move here,
make
dude. Yeah, we're moving to Arab
Do not ask him to
Emirates.
do it. Indian accent. He will do it.
I do not want to move to the Arab Emirates.
Why don't they have Halloween
United
in
Arab
India?
Emirates, country
you know
in the
why?
Middle East.
Do you know why they don't have Halloween in India? Because someone stole all of the Gandhi.
But candy. You're such an idiot, dude. You're
You
such
guys
an
should
idiot.
totally move here.
Yeah, Todd can move there and he can live it. I can't get these off here. I don't know how to get these off here. Okay, there, hold on.
United Arab Emirates.
Oh, that's the link. Okay, I got to get these hide messages. Okay.
You guys are
The
hilarious.
United Arab
You should,
Emirates.
you should check out our other channel, Fascinating World of Random on YouTube.
Fascinating
Look it
World
up.
Random. Yeah, because then you'll know
Yeah.
where Todd gets it. Well, this has been a
Yeah,
fun.
we have a show. It's kind of like Rhett and Link, I guess. I don't want to compare myself to them. but-
Kinda. We stole it right from them, dude.
Hey, they stole one of our thumbnails. I don't
yeah,
wanna hear it.
they did. I think they stole
They
our
clearly
whole idea actually.
Yeah, they stole the whole idea from us. We had an episode where we put an egg in vinegar for a month, and then they came out with a show months later where they left stuff in bleach for a month, and the thumbnail looks exactly like ours. Post the link.
It's probably
Can you find the
coincidence.
link, Eric?
I mean,
Can you post the link?
But why didn't they? Yeah, why didn't
Because
they?
who are we, dude? Nobody would know who we are. So like, yeah, pull it up. Pull up theirs and pull up ours.
I don't have time for all this.
Yeah, you got it. It only takes a second. Show them, and let's see what people think. Do
Okay.
people think that?
There's ours, and then
Where's ours? I don't see it on the screen.
well, hold on, I'm pulling them up first. Let me pull them up. Is it eggs and vinegar?
Yeah.
I don't see theirs.
They put stuff in bleach for a month.
Egg and bleach.
Mm-hmm. Rhett and Link.
Yeah, I did that. Rhett and Link, egg and bleach.
Yeah, something like that.
Is this their thumbnail? Oh crap.
That's theirs. Yes, that's theirs.
And then this is yours.
Okay, and ours was out long before theirs. Yeah, that's our thumbnail, right there. That's us, right there. Second
And
one
then
down.
that's theirs.
And
Oh,
that's
it's the
theirs.
same. Yeah, he looks at it like
Same face, same thing. Yeah, they totally. They that's pretty close. I mean,
yeah. Well, I should subscribe to our own channel.
you're not subscribed, really? How are you
Yeah.
going to get all the new content?
I don't know, but if you want to, oh crap, how do I get that down here? Okay, I see how that happened. The
So
link
what?
for
So
our-
what do y'all think if you're watching? Does it look like those two are pretty close together? Does it look like? Does it look like maybe
think it
they came across? Or I don't think Rhett and Link personally did it. I doubt they write their own content. Honestly, they're probably
No,
too
their
busy for
writer
that.
stole it from us.
But they probably have other people just scouring YouTube looking for ideas from nobodies like us, and then.
So today, let's
How much did
let's
we
wrap
make today then?
$9.19.
Okay.
So we're at 30. I don't know how that is. We're at 34. You might have made a little more money the other day. Anyway, that's what it is. $4.97 to $5.06. We made 919 ish, and we're at 32. We're at basically at level 2.
Okay.
We only have to go to level 15, dude. We only do this so tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Friday? Let's knock it out tomorrow, 1 o'clock, same time. This was actually a good time, 2 o'clock your time. And then Saturday and Sunday, dude, we'll just do it 1 o'clock, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do next week. I probably should stop trading on my own.
No, there's no probably. You need to swear to beans you're going to stop trading on your own.
I probably need to put some money in my wife's account since I blew all of it out,
Mm-hmm.
And just, let it be. I got my dad back up. He's back up to like $86, so he's back up. He'll be happy. I blew his account out, but then I was like feeling real bad because I didn't want him to, feel sad because he's already like kind of sick and stuff. I didn't want him to look at his account and go, "There's no hope. There's no hope."
Eric's trying to tell you all that he's a moron. Okay.
Cool. He subbed.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate
All right,
that.
so tomorrow, same time, same place, 3 wins. We're going for 3 wins. We make 3 safe wins. I have to say, Todd, will you let me hit the button? And he says, yes, hit the button. And we go off his intuition. And really, we could actually trade off your intuition and the 15-second confirmations. I could just look at them and tell you like what they're doing. And you could probably be like, I bet this is going down. And I could probably say, probably is.
Honestly, probably.
I mean, that's what we did today. I mean, you found a couple
Yeah.
that were like pretty much obviously going your direction, and we just waited for the right moment, and we did it, dude.
Yeah.
We didn't over complicate it. We didn't stop taking trades that would have won just because they didn't meet some criteria. We just said, this is it, and we did pretty good, dude. If we can get to day 15, dude, if we got
to not just get there. We got to complete at least 1 week. If we complete
oh my gosh, dude, we're making $100 trades at day 15.
Yeah, if we can
So you have to get
even like even if we can complete 2 or 3 days of that, we can just be fortified and we can like drop back and just never
to like
have
day
to worry
10
about
and then keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a super fast growth, and I don't feel super unsafe either, dude. I don't. I mean, not
Thank
with you.
I'm going to work on that.
Huh?
We need, definitely. I'm with you. I was responding to Gotham.
Sharpen your intuition, Todd. Yes.
Yeah. My
We need
intuition
you.
is usually pretty sharp most of the time.
Yeah.
I mean,
well, we do need Todd because he's. Anyway, let me go back real quick before we end. I had to make the courses on our website a little bit of cost. They're not much, but like $3 or $5 or $15. The top one is, but I had to because we're on a free plan with Teachable when we were starting this thing, and they sent me an email and said your free plan is like we're doing away with free plans. You got to start paying. So we're gonna have to start paying just to host these courses up there. And I figured, the inner circle's free, obviously, and you can get some of our charts and all that stuff. But if you want the actual, like courses, which is stuff that we put our time and effort into, and we're actually, that doesn't even matter because we do that for fun. But it's they're going to start charging us every month just to have them up there. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you grab a course and have a good day.
We'll see you.